Forever Malosi is more than just a fragrance, it's an experience that wraps you in the essence of the Samoan spirit. Imagine a woodsy scent with a twist of spice. Think bergamot and sandalwood mingling effortlessly with refreshing cypress and citrus. It's bold, yet inviting, perfect for any occasion. Whether you're heading to the office or dressing up for a night out, what truly sets Forever Malosi apart is its heart. This fragrance is a tribute to Maughan, our founder, and his deep connection to the Samoan Islands. The word Malosi means power, and that's exactly what you feel when you wear it. An empowering blend that boosts your confidence and leaves a lasting impression. And let's not forget the bottle. It's a piece of art, showcasing traditional Samoan designs that celebrate the meaning of Malosi. So, when you choose Forever Malosi, you're not just choosing a scent, you're embracing a legacy of love and strength.